All right, what's going on, fellas? A little trade breakdown. Um, I'm just going to start with an eval, work my way up, scale from there to show that it's possible. Made $1,500 on the day to meet the consistency rule. So kind of had a looser bias going on the day because the daily time frame literally looks like shit. I mean, straight barcode. I don't know. Price action's been kind of shit past month. Uh, yeah, but we're holding this daily wick, and we're also holding this SMT from yesterday. Uh, NQ didn't sweep it. ES did, like you can see over here. All right, dropping down to the 1 hour. We had a little bearish move during the overnight, during Asian session. Not much displacement lower, kind of chop around, came down perfectly to the tick into the golden pocket, and then we get a strong reaction out of it during London, and continuing that reaction into the AM session of New York. Going into market open, right here, this candle, we see a wick higher sweeping out this high with not much displacement following it. I marked out this low as kind of prominent to me. Also, this low is prominent, but I mean, we would have to displace, like through this gap, through this low, retap, entry here, uh, targeting here, So, yeah, but we didn't get that. You just react what market's telling you. You don't just start guessing. Drop down the 5 minute. We had these 5 minute gaps that overlap each other, so I just made it into one. I really wanted to see ES come down and sweep this low and just form like an SMT like this, but we didn't get that. So I was kind of hesitant. And we also had 10 a.m. news. I like to take my trades from 9:40-ish to 9:50. And if you drop down the 1 minute, I mean, there ain't shit right here. I mean, we're just chopping around. There ain't no displacement, no nothing. Nothing to tell us that price is wanting to move higher. I mean, we get a decent wick out of this 5 minute, but I mean, right here, there's no displacement, and then it's already 9:55, and there's 10 a.m. news, so there's no point. So we actually opened up 10 a.m. with a no wick candle. So I know some people wanted to probably take this off the rip and target this, but you just can't because 9 times out of 10, I mean, there's a 4 hour with no wick candle is gonna get filled. So that's what I was waiting on, and it got filled. And we started to get some displacement, but like I mean, most people would say this isn't really displacement. I mean, the candles are just they look terrible. But I like to also look at the 5 minute predominantly because if the 5 minutes moving good, then it helps your case a lot more. So we get this strong 5 minute close. And I was like, okay, well then I don't want to just long here, because the way the market's been moving recently, can't really, you gotta be more safe than sorry. I dropped down to the 2 minute. I see this gap hold, and it was on this candle. I was like, okay, if we just shit through this, then I'm probably just gonna be hands off for the day. But we don't. We get a good reaction out of it. So once I see this candle close like this, I enter here. Stops at the bottom of this 5 minute. I don't know why it doesn't show, but my stop was here, the bottom of the 5 minute. And we start bullshitting for a little bit, and then we get this sweep here once more. I mean, this candle did not look pretty in the moment, but once you set the trade, you accept the risk and you just go with it. I don't think it was a 3-to-1 actually. I think it was like this. It was more like a 2-to-1. Yeah. And so as the trade's playing out, my break-even point is kind of discretionary. It's not the same as every trade. It just kind of depends on what the market's actually doing. On this candle close, I went break even or damn near break even. I moved my stop to here and targeted just enough for $1,500 so I can keep within the consistency rule. Targeting these relative equal highs from the past couple trading days, also paired with this 4-hour gap. And as you can see, it played out in my favor this time. And yeah, I don't know where this channel is going to go, but this is kind of just for me as like a little personal journal. And just kind of to show y'all that all this is possible. scale from